Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Schwab network error in the app. First, check your internet connection and ensure that it is working properly. Then try opening other websites to confirm. Next, switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it. Wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then restart your phone to refresh network connections and system processes. Then head over to your app store or your Play Store, search for Schwab and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Then if the error proceeds, if it could be due to server issues, so wait a few minutes or for some times and try again later. That's how you fix the Schwab network issues in the